Heptabase versus Obsidian. Which note-taking tool is best for you? Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Heptabase and Obsidian, two powerful knowledge management and note-taking tools that help you organize thoughts, research, and ideas. Both platforms offer unique approaches to note-taking and productivity, but they cater to slightly different user needs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know which one is the best fit for you. We'll kick things off by looking at what is Heptabase. Heptabase is a visual knowledge management tool that combines mind mapping, note-taking, and a card-based system to help users organize and connect ideas. And if you would like more information about Heptabase, I have done tutorials on it, so you can check out that on my channel. Some standout features of Heptabase are mind map and Kanban style organization, so you'll be able to arrange your notes visually. You can also use their markdown based note-taking feature, so you'll be able to format notes efficiently. Bidirectional linking, so you can connect ideas across your workspace. PDF annotation, which will allow you to mark up research papers and documents. They also offer a cross-device sync, so you can access notes from anywhere on any device. And I would say that Heptabase is best suited for researchers, visual learners, and professionals who prefer a structured mind map-based note-taking approach. While on the other hand, what is Obsidian? Obsidian is a markdown-based note-taking app that focuses on local storage, privacy, and a powerful linking system for knowledge organization. Some standout features are graph view for interconnected notes, bidirectional linking and backlinks, so you can easily navigate between related notes, local first storage, your data stays on your device, and also it offers a community plugins and themes. So this is an extended functionality which offers some form of customization on their platform. And it also is highly rated when it comes onto privacy, as it offers end-to-end encryption with Obsidian Sync, so you can secure your data across devices. And I would say that Obsidian is best suited for writers, researchers, and knowledge workers who want a flexible, local-first, note-taking system with deep linking. Now let's look at their pricing. When it comes onto Heptabase, you can see that your monthly plan begins at $8.99 per month and it can go up to $11.99 per month. With Obsidian, you can see that their monthly plan begins at $5 per month and it can go up to $10 per month. Keep in mind that this pricing is per user, so the more persons you have on your team, the more you'll pay. And it is the same concept when it comes onto Heptabase. So in conclusion, which one should you choose? I would recommend you choose Heptabase if you need a structured, visual knowledge management system for research and mind mapping complex ideas. While on the contrary, I would recommend you choose Obsidian if you prefer a powerful markdown-based note-taking app with deep linking, privacy, and extensive customization. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.